In this lesson, we're going to learn the conjunctions and but. The conjunction and connects similar ideas or things. For example, I have a pen and a notebook. It means I have both. I have been to China and Japan. I have been to both. The conjunction but connects opposite or contrasting ideas. For example, it's sunny, but it's cold. Or, it's tasty, but it's unhealthy. Now we know the rule. Let's begin.
1. Listen to the sentence. 2. Repeat it out loud after you hear it. 3. Try to finish saying it before the next sentence starts. Let's begin.
크게 따라 말해보세요.
He is tall and smart. He is tall and smart.
She likes pizza, but she doesn't like cheese. She likes pizza, but she doesn't like cheese.
The boy drank water and ate a sandwich. The boy drank water and ate a sandwich.
He ran fast but he didn't win. He ran fast but he didn't win.
The girl is good at science and math. The girl is good at science and math.
He likes bugs, but he doesn't like spiders. He likes bugs, but he doesn't like spiders.
We danced and sang. We danced and sang.
The phone rang, but the boy didn't hear it. The phone rang, but the boy didn't hear it.
The teacher can speak English and Korean. The teacher can speak English and Korean.
The lady loves fruit, but hates vegetables. The lady loves fruit, but hates vegetables.
Congratulations, you've finished the video. Make sure you complete your PDF and watch the video again to review. See you in the next lesson.